Is your Frigidaire countertop ice maker acting up? Most issues come down to water flow, temperature, or simple maintenance. Let's quickly narrow it down. If your machine isn't producing ice or it's making small, hollow, or misshapen cubes, start by checking the water supply. Make sure the reservoir is filled to the proper line and that the intake area isn't blocked by debris. If your model connects to a water line, inspect it for kinks or freezing. Restricted flow means weak ice production. Next, examine the water filter if your unit has one. A clogged filter reduces pressure and affects cube size and clarity. Replacing it every 6 months keeps performance consistent. Room temperature also matters more than most people realize. Countertop ice makers work best in environments between about 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. If the room is too warm, production slows. If it's too cold, internal sensors may misread conditions. If everything looks fine, but it's still not working correctly, perform a full reset, turn the unit off, unplug it, and wait at least 10 minutes. This allows the internal control board to fully discharge and restart. Before plugging it back in, wipe the ice sensor windows and interior surfaces with a soft cloth to remove mineral buildup. Once restarted, fill with fresh water and begin a new cycle. Many minor electronic glitches clear after a reset.